Tired of regular instant noodles? Today I'll show you a 5-minute MasterChef trick to elevate your ramen into an ultimate refreshing hangover cure using just one cucumber. I'm Korean MasterChef Lim. Let's begin. All you need is 1 pack of ramen, 1 egg, and 1 cucumber. The secret isn't just boiling water, it's how we prepare the cucumber. By the way, you can find the exact measurements and detailed recipe on our website, linked in the description below. Now, here's the key. Just boil this ramen as you normally would. Everyone boils ramen like this, right? Once the water boils, this is today's core point. We're julienning the cucumber. Adding cucumber makes the broth incredibly refreshing. This idea comes from a traditional Korean royal palace dish called oigamjong, a rich stew made with cucumber and beef. I applied this royal technique to instant ramen, and the result is absolutely mind-blowing. For those who enjoy a drink, there's no ramen better than this. It's the absolute ultimate. Watch closely. I showed you how to slice cucumbers before, remember? It's the same. Just julienne them thinly. If you slice cucumbers this way. Here is a chef's secret for perfectly julienned cucumbers. Instead of letting them scatter everywhere, attach the cucumber to the side of your knife blade as you slice. Look at how neatly they fall. This technique makes everything so easy and professional. It's always amazing to see this. Always a pleasure to see. Just place it right here. It's best to julienne them very finely. Much better than slicing them a bit thicker. I should teach you all how to properly use a knife, as there's a specific technique. But for now, the knife's job is done. For the ramen, if you want an egg, go ahead. If not, that's fine. If you love spicy food, a few green chilies will really enhance the kick. It'll be much spicier, even better for a hangover. But today, I'll just cook it like regular ramen. Now, here's the key. It's not about the ramen cooking, but the ingredient timing. Shall we whisk an egg? I whisk my eggs like this. I don't bother whisking them separately and adding them. It's not a crucial step. The noodles are almost perfectly cooked now, aren't they? This is perilla oil. Perilla oil. Cucumbers can sometimes have a slightly raw or green taste, and for those who dislike that, I'm adding perilla oil. Adding perilla oil makes the flavor incredibly nutty and rich. So, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of perilla oil into this. Now that the noodles are fully cooked, first, take them out. Scoop out the noodles and place them into a serving bowl. If you eat this for a morning hangover, you'll end up drinking another bottle of soju with your ramen. Be careful with that. You've scooped out the noodles, right? Now, at this point, turn off the heat. I'm using just 1 cucumber. Simply submerge it right in here. After submerging it, you must add the cucumber after turning off the heat. Turn off the heat, and then just give it 1 quick, lightning-fast toss. Then, the residual heat in the broth will very slightly cook the cucumber. It stays wonderfully crunchy, and the cucumber's fresh aroma infuses beautifully into the broth, creating an incredibly delicious hangover ramen. It's so refreshing. And that satisfying crisp crunch of the cucumber is just incredibly tasty. Just like this on top. Try this crunch together with the noodles. It's absolutely to die for. You might wonder, who puts cucumber in ramen? But 1 bite will make all your doubts vanish. The broth becomes clean, rich, and incredibly refreshing. I told you to try it, and truly all those doubts just vanish instantly. There's no artificial seasoning smell, and it's incredibly refreshing. How is it? My mouth is watering. If you dislike cucumbers and don't make this, it's your loss. You must try it. The perilla oil's aroma mellows the cucumber's scent, enhancing its delicious, crisp, and incredibly tasty flavor. Makes you want soju, doesn't it? This ramen. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to drink more alcohol even as you're trying to cure your hangover. This isn't just instant ramen anymore. This could genuinely be served in a high-end hotel. The world of Korean food is vast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our recipe website in the description for more MasterChef secrets. See you next time.